welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nala, and you're watching Nala Discovered, a channel where I do toy reviews and other fun stuff. So stick around and enjoy the show. Today we will be reviewing Glitz slime. You might remember this one from the March report. If not, we'll put it in the link down below so you can see all the other fun toys we learned about. There's lots of good ones. Today we have bronze and silver, but it also comes in gold. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to open the bronze first. This is made by Play-Doh. You are only allowed to play with this if you are 3 years old or up. Now, let's get started. Oh my gosh, I love this color, guys. It's so cute. I never thought bronze was going to be this cute. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I'm going to play with this every single day. This is all of it out of the container. Oh my god. It's a little sticky, but it's also perfect. That color, do you hear that sound? This is so cool. I am so obsessed with this. Now, let's put it in the bowl. There we go. Now, let's open the silver. So guys, you might think that I'm putting this in a separate bowl, but if you are, you're crazy. Because I'm going to be mixing them together. As you know, this is made by Play-Doh. You can only play with it if you are 3 or up. Now let's open it. Look at this. There's barely anything that can come out. This is so cute. This is beautiful. Guys, this is just like liquid metal. This is beautiful. Let's see. This is a little sticky, very beautiful like metal, very shiny. I love this. a little sticky, but since I've been playing it for a while, I've seen that it's gotten a little bit better. It's not that sticky to my hands or the table, and it looks beautiful. I love it so much. I recommend this being your new slime. So get to mixing it. So guys, I'm not just gonna pour it in and mix it. I'm gonna do a little bit of some cool stuff. Product. It kind of looks like a silver brown, like a silver mixed with pink. So guys, hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Make sure to wash your hands and definitely stay safe out there. Bye!